Hello. Today I'm going to talk about a ridiculously simple to make liqueur or cordial with blueberries, and it's quite delicious. Let's start out with the ingredients. Okay. Those of you who watched my Limoncello episode, I'll put a link in the description. May have noticed that I had bought a liter of Everclear but only used 750 milliliters. So I had 250 milliliters left over, and so I picked up myself some frozen blueberries and a mason jar, and that's all there is to it. Okay, frozen fruit is the best for this type of infusion. Okay, freezing the fruit produces microscopic ice crystals inside the fruit's cells, which puncture the cell walls and make for a very efficient infusion. That's why if you thaw frozen fruit, it's mushy and the juice leaks out, which is perfect for this. That's what we want. Okay, so all you have to do is dump the frozen berries into the jar, pour the Everclear over it, and it's done. Okay, so that's literally 1 minute after I put the berries and the Everclear in the jar. Okay, so you seal it up, shake it a little bit, stick it in a dark cabinet, and let it sit for a few days. Okay, so 6 days later, I was ready to take the berries out of the infusion and bottle it. Okay, so again, very, very simple. Now, I did this on a baking tray because you don't want to spill this. It stains something fierce. Okay, so I just strained it through a nice clean cheesecloth. All right. So there you go. You pour the infusion through the cheesecloth over a strainer, over a vessel to catch it. Okay. Let the berries drain for a few minutes, and then give them a good squeeze. Okay. So squeeze as much of the juice and Everclear out of the berries as you can. Okay. Next, you want to add some simple syrup. Okay, so this is very easy. 250 milliliters of water, 250 milliliters of sugar. Okay, get the water hot till the sugar dissolves, and then pour it into your infusion. Okay, once you've done that, just bottle it. Okay, pour it into the bottle, use a funnel, and you're done. Okay, pour it carefully because, like I said, if you spill it, it'll stain. It's much easier to pour it if you're not holding a camera in the other hand, so you might want to not take pictures of you pouring it like I did. When you're done, or when I was done, I had a full bottle plus enough left over to taste. Okay, now it's delicious on its own. Okay, you could pour it over cheesecake, or you can make what I call a purple Nurple. Okay, so yeah, you can pour yourself a little glass and drink that. Or get yourself a bigger glass. Pour a couple of ounces or 60 milliliters of the liqueur. And an equal amount of half and half. Stir that up and you have a delicious purple beverage. Perfect for after dinner or whenever. It's just delicious. So, cheers.